everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a very simple floor workout, and for this exercise you're not gonna need any equipment, just your exercise mat. We're gonna have 3 exercises in one block. We're gonna do 3 blocks, and each block lasts for 15 seconds of your rest and 30 seconds of your work. We're gonna repeat 3 exercises for 2 times. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but I promise you it's not. So before we start the workout, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the bell button next to the subscription button, and so you can basically train with me every single time I upload, and something new is coming on this channel very soon. So now do a quick warm-up and let's join the workout with me. Alright, I'm pressing start, so 15 seconds countdown. The first exercise is gonna be plank T rotations. So we're gonna go to the side plank, lift our arms up, and on the other side. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and we go. So just change the position, so strong plank, up, to the other side, up. Engage your core. The other side. Good. And last one. 2, 1. Okay. Second exercise, we're gonna do push-up. So hands at the edge of your mat, hips forward, dropping chest to the floor, elbows pressing backwards into 45 degrees. Let's go. 30 seconds push-ups. Engage your core. Breathe. Of course, you can go on your toes. Keep on going. Abs engaged. And rest. And now the third one is combination of both. So 1 rotation, 1 push-up. Okay, you go to the plank. You can also step off your mat for easier rotation. So we're gonna do 1 rotation, 1 push-up. Rotation, you can do the push-up from your knees. Come back up, rotation. Good. Rotation. Good. Abs engaged. Up and rest. Okay, so now we do everything again. So first, rotations. Plank, 2 rotations. Engage your core. You will feel also your shoulders. And we go. So up and to the side. Really reach. Good. Try to master this exercise. Go slow and a bit control. Very good. Last one. Okay. Also do a little bit wrist rotation if you feel the wrists. 3, 2, 1. Push-ups. Nice push-ups. Hips forward, crossing your feet down. You can go all the way down if you want to. Press back up. Exhale the top. Child's pose, rest. 15 seconds of rest goes by really, really fast. So now, again, rotation, push up. Let's go. Into the plank, and we go up. Push up. up. Push up. Core engaged. Up. And last one. Okay, so first circuit of exercises are done. Now we're gonna go into the second one where we're gonna focus on our legs and on our glutes. So take a sip of water if you need to. Yeah, so the first one, we're gonna do one leg bridge. So we're going down, lifting our hips up, standing one leg, and we're just gonna go up and down. Okay? Okay, let's go. If you have a booty band, you can use it. Good job. Abs engaged. Just focus. You'll feel the tension in the leg that it's not moving. Point your toes. 3, 2, last one. Good. We're changing the legs. You can also stretch it out a bit if you need to. Good. 3, 2, 1, and we go. Point your toes. Lift the leg up. Try to have your hips up as much as possible. Try to also not rotating the hips left and right. Just keep them straight. Leg fully down and fully up so that you get the biggest range of motion. Engage your core. Good job. Okay, the third one, bridge. So we come up, squeeze, we go down, but not all the way. So keep your legs a little bit wider. If you have a booty band here, this will be quite intense. If not, then just go with the speed. Exhale. Make sure that you're not hyperextending like this. Still keep your shoulder blades firmly on the ground and just moving your pelvis up and down. You'll start to feel it. Pump it. Oh, that's really good for our glutes. Okay. Stretch it out a bit. So now we repeat everything again. Good job. Take a breather here. 3, 2, 1. Come up. So the second round will feel a little bit more challenging. You got this. Down and up. Breathe. Good job. All the way down and all the way up. Whew. The leg that is not moving, whew, it's working. Rest. And we go up. Let's go. Up and down. Focus. A nice breeze for me here. It's just wonderful. Let's go. Breathe. We got this. Hips up. A little bit more. Okay. For the bridges now, let's go. You can also add abduction if you want to, but I just prefer doing straight pumps. You can also go like this if you want to. There are many different variations, but this one is also very, very good. If you have a booty band, you can do the abductions if you wish to. Oh, you'll feel in the glutes. So really focus. Put your mind into the glutes and just pump it out. Wonderful. A little bit more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we did upper body, we did glutes and legs, and now we're gonna do the core. So the third part coming now. All right, so the third part are ab exercises. First, we're gonna start with simple crunches. So hands behind your neck, looking up straight into the sky, into the ceiling. Fist distance apart between your chin and collarbone, and engage, squeeze, go back down. You're leading with your head up and try to squeeze it. Your fingers are just slightly touching the neck. You're not driving your neck up like that, just up. Okay, wonderful. Next ones are reverse crunches. So we're gonna lift our hips up and extend the legs. So lifting up, extend the legs. Yeah? Also you can do tiny little movements up if you're up for that, but this one is a little bit easier variation. So just up, so it's a reverse crunch, and extend, extend. Make sure that you're pressing your lower back to the mat when you're extending the legs. Also, if your abs are strong enough, you can place the head on the ground. Otherwise, keep it up and so automatically press the lower back to the mat. Good, rest. Now the next ones are bicycles. So one elbow is always on the ground, the other one is touching the opposite knee, the leg is extended, and we go. So the quality reps here. Go slow with the control. Each tap is exhale. Oh, you're gonna feel it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, holy moly. Okay, so we gonna go now into the second circuit. Let's go, ready? And you go. So engage. Oh god. Oh, you're gonna feel it now. Just focus, slow and with the control. Rest. Now the lower part of our core, reverse, and then we're going to do the obliques with our bicycles. Have 3 seconds left. Let's go. And we go up and extend. Good. Amazing. Now, bicycles. You have 5 seconds left. And we go. Hurts. A little bit more. 3, 2, last one. Shoo. Now extend your body, extend your arms, legs, stretch as much as you can. a pencil stretch. It feels so good. Good. Let's do a little bit more stretching. And even here, arms back. Good job. A little bit of the glute stretch. Very simple one. Just cross one leg, grab the other knee, pressing towards your chest. Externally, rotate the hip, even the feel extension in the glutes. Oh, it feels so good. Good. Just cross this leg and go to one side. And you'll feel nice hip flexor stretch as well. All this left side will be stretched. And the thighs as well. And now just rotate on the other side. Good. So this is also good for piriformis muscle stretch, internal muscles inside the hips and glutes. Wonderful. Back to the center, switch sides. Good job. And press it. So ideally you can stay in this position for 30 seconds about a position or as long as it feels good to you. But at least something, you know, is better than nothing. So, one side. Your arms can be anywhere, like I like to have it by the sides. This one feels so good. Oh my god. The hip flexors, oh, they're tense. Oh, feels so good to stretch them. Like, because we're sitting, you know, if you have a sedentary life, so you have to stretch hip flexors as much as you can. It's good. Okay, and then just a little bit of the upper body stretch since we are already stretching. So just hands next to your chest. So inhale, elbows close to your body. Exhale, and we go fully into the up dog, shoulders away from you. Breathe on your knees and to your down dog. So we stretch entire posterior chain, shoulders, good, chest to the ground, hamstrings, calf muscles. You can go a little bit to the side, look up, stretch. Go to the other side, grab your ankle. Good, go down on your knees and extend into child's pose. Okay, wonderful. So that was our workout for today. I hope you like this routine. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or also on my fitnessbymaya.com, which is a fitness platform with workouts like this or even more intense. They are on the schedule every single day, and every single week I change the routine. So it's like ongoing programs going on there on my webpage, plus other programs, and of course nutrition and ebooks and everything that goes along the healthy lifestyle. All right, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.